Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is about the poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Dust of Snow, the title of the poem. It means the fine particles or flakes of snow. The poem presents a very simple moment but with larger significance. Simple moment क्या है? Fine particles of snow shaken off by the crow on the hemlock tree which falls on the poet. Poet is in a sad and very unhappy mood, and when the flakes of snow falls on him, he experiences happiness and joy. Generally, the crow and hemlock tree, they represent something negative and inauspicious. They are symbols of sorrow. But the poet has used these unconventional tree and bird to convey the idea that sometimes seemingly dark things can make us happy and bring joy and hope. So let's start with the poem. First stanza. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now in this first stanza, the way a crow, as you can see in the picture, a crow is flying and shook down on me the dust of snow. जो स्नो के पार्टिकल्स हैं, अब देखो, you can see in the picture, poet is standing near the tree and the flakes of snow falls over him. The dust of snow from a hemlock tree. और जो पिक्चर में आपको ट्री दिखाई दे रहा है वो भी एक हेमलॉक ट्री है, जहाँ से डस्ट ऑफ स्नो के पार्टिकल्स जो हैं वो पोएट के ऊपर आकर गिरते हैं. The poet, second stanza, has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. This simple moment of falling off the flakes of snow on the poet has given my heart. My stand for the poet. He says that this simple moment has given my heart a change of mood. उसका मूड जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है. चेंज कैसे हुआ? Earlier he was feeling very sad, but now some hope is there. He is feeling good. And saved some part of a day I had rued. Rued का मतलब to feel sorry, regret करना. अब वो क्या कह रहा है कि this simple moment has made his day. Earlier he was feeling very sorry and he was regretting something, but now this simple moment has uplifted his spirits and he is feeling good. So through this very short poem, the poet is trying to convey this message that seemingly dark things can make us happy and bring joy and hope. So we should not consider anything inauspicious or negative. God has created everything in the same perspective. He has not differentiated between negative thing or positive thing. It is only the man who has created this notion of himself that this is negative and this is inauspicious. So we should take everything as good created by God. So this is all about the poem. Please like and subscribe my channel.